Over the past couple of months, I've been slowly replacing some of my high-end hair care products with products from the drugstore. And I've had some mixed results, but most of them were very positive. So I wanted to share those lower cost alternatives with you guys today, because I think when it comes to hair products, there is a lot of trial and error involved. I tried so many products that just did not work out for me. And these are really the best of the best things. And I honestly have been using the drugstore much more than I've been using my high-end products. I love them that much. So if that sounds good to you guys, be sure to stick around. Let's go ahead and jump right in and get started. All right, so let's go ahead and start with shampoo and conditioner first. So once a week, I like to use a clarifying shampoo. We have well water here at my house, and we have very hard water. We do have a water softener, but there's still a ton of minerals that get in there. So that can cause buildup on my hair. It can also cause my color to get dull or brassy really quickly. So I love to use a clarifying shampoo once a week just to get rid of all of that mineral buildup. So in the past, I have been loving the Way Detox Shampoo. This is a really good clarifying shampoo that doesn't strip my hair. And that was very important to me because I do get highlights, which are bleach, and they're very damaging to my hair. So I wanted something that wasn't going to completely strip out all the moisture. And this is a really nice product. It's just expensive. So a couple months ago, I found the Kristen S Deep Clean Clarifying Shampoo. They have this at Target. I've seen it at CVS. I believe Ulta has it as well. It's in most drugstores, and this does such an amazing job at clarifying my hair. I actually haven't gone back and used this since I got this one. Like I said, I use it about once a week, and I'm not quite halfway through the bottle. You don't need a lot. It's a really sudsy formula, so I just put like a quarter size amount in my hair, and that works out great. On the bottle, it says that it removes mineral deposits, product buildup, excess oils, and even silicones that can build up in your hair over time. And I noticed that when I use this, my hair just feels soft and clean and bouncy. I tend to follow up with a rich conditioner after I use this, just in case, but I really don't even need to because it doesn't dry out my hair like some clarifying shampoos can. So I'm definitely going to be repurchasing this when it runs out. And to be honest, I don't even feel like I need to spend the money on this one anymore. It's good, but I don't feel like it's even better than this one. And this one is so much cheaper. And like I mentioned, because my hair is bleached, it's damaged, I like to use products that are going to repair my hair, and the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner are really great for that. They have their bond repairing technology, so Olaplex isn't the type of product that's just going to seal up the cuticle of your hair temporarily. It actually has ingredients that repair your hair from the inside out. K18 is actually another brand that does this as well, and I've had such good luck with these products, just keeping my hair from breakage. But again, these are very, very expensive. And up until recently, this bonding technology wasn't available at the drugstore, but I found this shampoo and conditioner from Not Your Mother's at Ulta, and this is the bonding shampoo and conditioner. It's their Tough Love collection. They do have a bonding treatment as well. That's kind of like the K18 or the Olaplex treatment. I haven't tried that yet, but now that I've been loving these so much, I'm definitely going to try it as an alternative to this. But as far as the shampoo and conditioner go, These are so great. These also claim to have their active bonding technology, which penetrates the hair to protect the bonds from initial breakage and also to repair broken bonds from severe damage. And I find that this shampoo is super creamy. It's luxurious. It has a nice lather, but again, it doesn't strip my hair or make it feel like straw. And the conditioner is a nice heavyweight conditioner, but it's not something that's too greasy or too heavy. I do have fine textured hair, so I have to be careful with using really heavy products that can weigh it down. And this is just the perfect weight. It's the perfect in between. It's not too light. It still has enough of that rich moisture to get my hair feeling silky, but at the same time, it doesn't weigh it down either. And since I've been using these, again, I have not touched my Olaplex, and I still feel like my hair is staying really strong. It's not breaking. So I have been loving these so much. If you don't have access to an Ulta, I also really like the bonding line from L'Oreal, and it's from their Everpure line. This is the bond strengthening conditioner. I also have the shampoo in my shower. This is another really great alternative to the Olaplex. I have great luck with these as well. The L'Oreal conditioner, I think, is just slightly heavier than the Not Your Mother's, so I think I do prefer this one, but I like these both, and I don't feel like this is so heavy that it makes my hair look or feel greasy. And in fact, when my hair is really, really dry, like especially in the winter, or if I've been using a lot of heat recently, I love to use this one just to kind of add a little bit of extra moisture. So I really do like both of these. As far as the scent goes, this one has kind of more of an herbal, like earthy scent. And this one smells so good. I don't want to date myself here, but if you guys remember from the 90s, Revlon used to have a shampoo and conditioner called Outrageous. This reminds me of that. It's just that classic shampoo scent that really kind of stays with your hair. Like even now I can still smell it. I used this today, and it's just that really fresh and clean kind of shampoo scent. So I love the scent of both of these. I think they smell really good. And then after I shampoo and condition my hair, I like to add a leave-in spray, just something that's going to protect from heat damage and just give my hair a little bit of extra conditioning. But again, I have to be really careful not to use something too heavy. Otherwise, my hair can get greasy really fast and weighed down. So what I was using before is from Drybar, and this is their Prep Rally. I have it in the coconut colada scent, but their other scent that they have is also really nice. I have that one in my other bathroom, and this is just such a good detangler. I've repurchased this probably 4 or 5 times already. I just keep going back to it because it's one of the only leave-in sprays that doesn't really weigh my hair down. It feels nice and light. It protects your hair against up to 450 degrees. It has UV blockers and also biotin, vitamin B and C. So it's just a really great nourishing spray, and I love how this just makes my hair look really bouncy after blow drying. I think this stuff is amazing, but I was looking for something that was a little bit less expensive. If I could find something great at the drugstore that could replace this, that would be amazing. So I have tried a couple of different sprays so far, and I actually got lucky on the second one. So the first one that I tried was from Dove. This is their 7-in-1 Miracle Mist, and this claims to have vitamin C and amino serum. It's a multitasking leave-in spray that's supposed to repair damage, strengthen, nourish without weighing your hair down, control frizz, detangle, and smooth and restore shine. But I kind of felt like when I was using this that my hair just didn't look as conditioned and as healthy afterwards as it does with the Prep Rally spray. I felt like it just looked a little bit dry and rough after using this, although I will say it is a nice lightweight spray. It didn't weigh my hair down, but it just wasn't enough conditioning. So then the second one that I tried that I ended up really loving is from Pantene, and this is their Miracle Rescue 10-in-1 Multitasking Spray. So this one, again, it's supposed to repair damage, moisturize, detangle, strengthen against breakage, protect color. It's a heat protectant, it's a UV protectant, and it's supposed to add shine. So I love that just like the Drybar, it has the heat protectant in here. It also has UV protectant, and this has such a fine mist on it. I love using this. I feel like I can really spray it liberally and really coat my hair well before I go in and blow dry. And the product itself has a water-like texture. It's super light. So it really seems to just go deep down into my hair rather than sitting on top and adding a coating. So I really have been impressed with this a lot. I hadn't tried anything from Pantene in years, but I thought this was really good. And honestly, since I got the Pantene, I have not been using this one. I still love this, don't get me wrong, but this is just so much less expensive and I feel like it does the same thing. So at this point in my hair routine, once I've sprayed my leave-in spray on, I go ahead and just blow dry. I sometimes just use my regular blow dryer. I also have the Dyson Airwrap, which is the one that I'm using today here in the demo. It is definitely not cheap. It's a huge investment, but I like how it's a blow dryer and it's all your brushes and curling irons and all of that together in one product. So what I'll usually do is just rough dry my hair with this, and then I put on the curling wand attachment, and then I just wrap my hair around it in like 1 to 2 inch sections and curl it away from my face. And I do this when my hair is about 90 to 95% dry. So I'll rough dry it until it's just about there, and then I'll go ahead and clip up my hair and just work in sections to curl it. But when I'm not using the Dyson Airwrap, I usually just use my regular blow dryer, and then if I curl my hair, I'll use a 1 inch curling wand. So once my hair is all curled, I like to just use a finishing product to get a little bit more shine and just to break up the curls a little bit. So one product that I was using is the Verb Ghost Oil. So this is just supposed to add shine and smooth frizz, and this is a weightless hair oil. So again, if you have finer hair and you don't want to weigh it down, this is a really great oil. It's not one of those serums that you're gonna use that makes your hair look like an oil slick afterwards. So I really love this stuff, and I was looking for an alternative and I came across this one from L'Oreal. It's their Everpure sulfate-free Simply Clean Sheer Oil. So the description sounded very much like the Verb Ghost Oil. It says that it has a featherweight clean feel and helps restore shine with a 5 oil blend. So I started using this, and unfortunately, this was one time when I could not dupe the high-end product. This just made my hair almost look dirty afterwards. When I would put this in my hair, even though they claim that it's really lightweight, it's not. It instantly made my clean hair look like I needed to wash it. And this was using just the tiniest little amount. I would put like half a pump in my hand, rub it together, and just use that all over my whole head. I usually focus it more at the ends, but I could not believe how greasy this made my hair look. And then I went and I looked at reviews online, of course, after the fact, because I bought it in store and I didn't read any reviews ahead of time. And yeah, the reviews are all saying the exact same thing, that this is just not at all what they describe. So unfortunately, I still have not found a good dupe for the Verb Ghost Oil. This was sort of a bust, but I'll keep my eyes open, and if I ever do another version of this video, I'll be sure to let you know what I find. Another finishing product I love to use on my hair is by Moroccan Oil, and this is their Mending Infusion. So this is actually a slightly thicker consistency than an oil. I would say it's more like a serum cream, and this is amazing at adding shine to my hair. It kind of glues the split ends back together temporarily to make your hair look like it was freshly cut, and that's the thing I have loved about this for so long. This is my second bottle of it, and I definitely struggle with split ends because my hair is damaged not only from bleaching but also from heat tools and things like that. So I love this product, but it is so expensive. And then at the drugstore, I recently found this from Garnier. This is their Miracle Nectar Honey Treasures 10-in-1 Repairing Leave-In. So this one is only meant to be used on dry hair as a finishing product, but this one you can use both on damp hair before styling, or you can use it afterwards. And I have to say, I prefer using this one on dry hair. I have used it on damp hair before, and it's okay, but I feel like it just performs best afterwards. So this claims to moisturize, detangle, smooth flyaways, soften your hair. It also protects against heat damage, but it also claims to help repair split ends. So that was kind of the key. When I saw that, I was like, all right, let me try this out as an alternative to my Moroccan Oil. And I was so blown away by this. I love it. First of all, it has such a beautiful like honey scent. I love the smell. I do love the smell of the Moroccan oil too, don't get me wrong. This smells like all of Moroccan oil's products do. Kind of like that herbal, spicy kind of scent. But this one just has like a sweet honey kind of a smell to it. And just like the Moroccan oil mending infusion, this also has kind of like a creamy serum-like texture. I usually just rub some between my hands and then I apply it to my hair. Usually I kind of start in the back and work forward toward the front. So I don't put too much in the front because that's where I feel like my hair is the thinnest and I don't want to put too much product there. So I start in the back, I work it around to the front, starting at the bottom of my hair where most of my split ends are. And if there's anything left on my hands afterwards, then I'll just kind of move up and smooth it on the top layer of my hair. And I was kind of worried at first that the texture of this might be a little bit too heavy for my hair, but it actually isn't. It's another one of those products, kind of like the Pantene, where it feels like it goes into your hair. It's not just coating the surface. And what I love about it too is that I feel like it gives my hair that movement, like that softness where it just kind of bounces around. Sometimes I feel like my hair can just look and feel kind of stiff or it like moves in clumps. And with this, I feel like it just gives it so much fluidity and it just has this amazing silky feel to it. And I have to say, like when I went online to read reviews, again, after I bought this, a lot of people are loving this too. It has really great reviews, so I know I'm not alone with this, but I was definitely very impressed with it. So anyway, guys, those are just a few of the hair products that I've tried from the drugstore recently that I feel have replaced my high-end products. And once those products are gone, I'm not going to be repurchasing them because I can get the same results for a lot less money, and I just don't see the point in spending that much when I can get it for less. So let me know down in the comments what your favorite drugstore hair products are. I would love to hear from you guys and get some more ideas of things to try, especially if you have dry or damaged hair. Hook me up, let me know, and if you want me to do another, like a part 2 to this video, I can definitely do that as well. I'm still on the hunt for a K18 dupe and a ghost oil dupe, so if you know of anything, let me know. And I'd like to thank you all so much for taking time out of your day to spend it here with me. I really, really appreciate it. If you'd like to see some more of my videos or catch up on my Vlogmas playlist, be sure to click right there and it'll take you over there next. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.